Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A53 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings app here and then just click on the sounds and vibration section. After that just tap on the volume section and just to mute your notifications here you should swipe this dot to the left side. There's dot on this notification panel, volume panel, and by this way you can mute notifications on your Samsung Galaxy A53. Also, the second way, you shouldn't go into the settings application. I'll just show you. Just press up or down bottom button, that doesn't matter, and then click here on the three dots, and here we got the notifications volume panel. Just swipe down this panel and by this way you will also mute notifications on your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.